In this video, we're going to go over why I'm selling 100% of HUBC stock today on March 16th. A-Labs reaffirms 20 million PIPE investment in Hub at $10 per share. This is excellent news for HUBC, and this is why we called out HUBC at $1.25. Now, I am going to sell HUBC. What's going to make me do that if HUBC just had a fantastic catalyst that can cause HUBC to go up dramatically from where it's at right now? Not only are you going to get my trading secret of how a professional trader views news like this news article here that just came out, but you're also going to learn about how to make even more money in the stock market with very little effort. Here's the profits from our Discord this morning. We had jagx on his first trade, first day in pro. He got in at 550, out at 6, made $3,655. Today he made another $240. Mr. 305 made $3,168. We were right about WAL. That's right. We got the short squeeze on this bank stock. Exactly like we said in our previous video, WAL went from $30 all the way up to $43. We had multiple traders make thousands of dollars off of this one trade, only shown on this stock trading channel. Make sure you're subscribed and like the video because I did help you in yesterday's video. Even if you weren't able to take the trade, at least now you know what stock trading channel actually has your back, is not paid off like all the other channels. The other trade that we took was this trade on AIMD March 16th. That was called out in the Discord as well, up 100% in one day from a low of 116 all the way to a high of 183. Fantastic trades in the pro. Hope to see you guys there real soon. Tel Aviv, Israel, March 15, 2023. Hub Cybersecurity, HUBC stock, a developer of confidential computing cybersecurity solutions and services. Hub, or the company, announced today that the Israeli investment bank's A-Labs Advisory and Finance Ltd. has reaffirmed its irrevocable commitment to invest $20 million in Hub as an equity PIPE investment at $10 per share. Okay, so it's a valuation that they're trying to get HUBC to. Previously made in connection with the company's business combination, this commitment represents a significant premium to current market price. Okay, when there is a imbalance between what a company is valued at and the current stock price, you can bet that that stock is going to move towards the direction that the imbalance is towards. So if the valuation is higher than the stock is currently trading at, then the stock is going to go up. If the valuation is lower than the stock is currently trading at, then the stock is going to go down. In this case, it's great news for HUBC holders because the valuation is much higher than the current value of the stock. HUBC was trading at just $1.25 when we called it out on this channel in the Discord, and now we have the stock going way up. Why? Because the valuation with this new $10 million investment has caused the value of HUBC to shift to nearly 10 times what it was before. Now, you may be asking yourself, my humble trader, how is it that HUBC is not going to go 10x now? HUBC has to go to $10 now, right? It has to, because the valuation is $10. HUBC is not $10. So this stock must go to $10, and only when it goes to $10 will I sell. I am reading your mind, my friend. I know what you're thinking, and that is the same thought process that traders had with TRKA stock. I know you are probably familiar with TRKA stock if you're trading HUBC stock. Okay, TRKA stock went from 30 cents when we called it out to 90 cents, which is 300%. Our traders made a ton of money on it. But then I released a video saying, hey, actually, you are not going to want to hold on to this stock. You want to sell all of your stock. And so if that makes sense to you, then that caused TRKA to dump literally one day later. So right after we sold 100% of our TRKA stock, TRKA dumped 75% in one day. Everyone sold. Okay, everyone sold. We got out at the top, And HUBC is looking to be the next TRKA if it continues. And where do I expect that climax to happen? Well, there's two spots where it can happen, okay? There's two spots where HUBC can really start to dump, and I'm selling before that first spot because I'm not going to risk holding this stock overnight and having it be the next TRKA. No, that's not what I do. I always trade the high probability plays. All the traders in my group, all the traders in my Discord, all the traders in my pro group, we're all trading the high probability trades. That's how you want to trade stocks in general. You want to trade stocks high probability only. You want to make sure that only the best stocks, the stocks that are going up, the stocks that have a great chance of making you money, those are the stocks which you trade and make money on. Okay, super essential. You don't want to be buying and selling bad stocks. You want to be buying and selling stocks that are really, really good, stocks that can rally, stocks like the stock that we traded today. We traded a stock called AIMD. You can actually see it in our free callout section. AIMD went up 100% in one day. If you're not part of the free Discord already, make sure that you join because we go over winning callouts like that literally every trading day. You don't want to miss them. Make sure to join us in the Discord. And HUBC, HUB stock, okay, HUBC stock. This stock is going to be not as good as AIMD today. So it didn't go up 100% in one day. It took it a few days for it to rally. And HUBC stock can start to climax soon. So that kind of shows you the difference between these stocks that are okay and these stocks that are amazing. So let's look at HUBC stock chart now and figure out where we need to trade HUBC stock if we're going to trade it. Okay, currently HUBC stock is at $2.96, which is right about where I expect it to start dumping. You can see I have these profit targets in blue. $2.90 is where I took profits on HUBC stock. I am no longer holding HUBC stock. I'm not looking to buy more of HUBC stock. Maybe tomorrow, if I see the stock come down to about $2.50, I can buy more HUBC stock. But as of right now, I'm not touching it. Why? Because HUBC stock is highly dangerous at these levels. We're actually live in the stock market right now, and seeing this stock go to about $3, I can definitely see it start to pull back here. And I could be wrong, right? If it breaks $3 and it goes above $3 and it just keeps on running, then the stock can go absolutely bananas. But if that doesn't happen, then how dangerous can that be, really? How dangerous can it be for HUBC stock when it starts to fall, right? All the way back down to, what, $2? If this stock goes to $2, then that's a 33% loss. There's just way too much downside potential in HUBC right now. This stock goes from $3 to $2.20 even. That's almost a 35% loss. And a 35% loss is way too big of a loss in my opinion. I just wouldn't deal with that. So if you are in HUBC stock, I would seriously consider closing it at this $3 level. Otherwise, you could lose everything, right? Because all the value is in the Discord. If you're not in the free Discord already, then you're missing out on the callouts that can not only save your life, but also make you rich. There was a trader in our Discord this morning. Okay, here's the profits from my Discord this morning. All right, here's the profits from my Discord this morning. We had jagx on his first trade, first day in pro. He got in at 550, out at 6, made $3,655. Today he made another $240. Mr. 305 made $3,168. We had HD Hehe. He joined today and he made $80 today. And we had KJ, he made $200. He joined 2 days ago. We had Legend Stomper, he made money. I don't know what that currency is, but it's really cool. And then we even had our friend Luca B, who joined 2 days ago, earned $37 as well. And FireMedic51, by the way, he made $509. I'm going to start calling him FireMedic500 because every time this guy takes a pro trade, he makes $500. So this HUBC stock, I'm not looking to see this thing rally more today. I'm seeing this thing start to dump soon, and maybe it rallies again. Maybe it breaks $3, and maybe it holds $3. I would certainly like to see that happen, but until we get confirmation, we don't want to think about getting into this stock. Instead, we want to think about trading the best trades, which are all in the free Discord community. Link in the description. I will see you guys there. Have a fantastic rest of your day.